Conversation in a restaurant. Conversation 1. May I take your order? Yes. I'd like a hamburger and a large order of French fries, please. Alright. And would you like salad? Yes, I have missing green salad. Okay. What kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like a large soda, please. Conversation 2. Waiter, please. May I take your order? Yes, I'd like a pizza. Okay, what kind of pizza would you like? We have with ham, Hawaiian, and special. Special, please. And would you like anything to drink? If I would like an orange juice, or even better, a pineapple and orange juice, is possible? Of course, yes. And would you like anything else? No, thanks. Okay, thank you for your order.